안녕. Hello everyone. This is Sunny. 안녕하세요. I hope everybody doing well. Alright, guess what? I'm full now. Yeah, everybody should know. I just say, right? Yeah, thank you for watching my channel. And I want to see you guys learn something, okay? Let's learn. This lesson is, I'm going to teach how do you say number 11 to 20 in Thai. Oh, Thai language is very hard, yeah, for me. And then alphabet, I started study Thai maybe it's a long time ago. Alphabet, but I still don't get it yet. Okay, but never give up. Yeah, I can do it. Yeah. So right now is reading and writing is way better than before. Okay, because of practice. Okay. So 1 to 10 I already taught. So 11 to 20. Let's do it. So 11 is how do you say? Thai is sip at, sip at. So sip is a 10. Okay, say sip, sip. Very good. Here's Sasra and I write down the Papai Mai or something like that. Okay, sip at. I'm going to write sip at. So I was going to write, but I like to show what I'm going to write. Yeah, so you guys know I know how to write. Okay, sip and add. Add is what it is, and then excuse me, sip add and oh there. So sip add, sip add. Okay, I'm not gonna write English. Okay. 12 is sip song. So add, I want you to say a sip first, okay? Sip song. So sip, same way. Sip. Alright, so Thai people attention. Yeah, how to song you doing? Song is same as Swahili. Song is on with no. Sip song. Sip song. Okay, sip song. 13 is sip sam. Sip sam. Sounds like a Korean sip sam. Sip sam and sip sam. Sam is sasra again. And then sound with mama. Sip sam. Sip sam. Okay. 14 is sip C. Sip C. So same. So I'm going to write sip C. C is sasami. Sip C. E sound. Okay. Sip C. Sip C. Very good. 15 is, tone is a very important. Sip ha. Rising. It's just like a high pitch. Okay. Sip ha. Okay. So I gotta write sip ha. Sip ha is hanaku with vowel R. Sip ha. And this is okay. So I truly like that. Sip ha. Sip ha. Alright. And then 16, let's go. Sip ho. Sip ho. Sip ho. Hold up again. H sound with sip ho is okay. So this is a sip. Sip ho. Sip ho. Ho. Ho is in Korean is a tumor. Sip tumor. Alright. Sip 17 is a sip jet. Sip jet. Okay. If you wanna, we can do all 21 different language. Sip jet. Jet is sip jet And Z is just like same as that. Zip Z. And okay. Zip Z. Okay. Zip Z. 18 is sit back. Sit back. Sit. Sit is a room. Back is I need a vowel a. Sit back. Okay. Sit back. 19 is sit go. Sit go. Same as sit pa. Same. Sit go. So sit go. I gotta look at it. Go is how vowel we together and top is sit go. Sit go. And 20 is easy. Easy. Alright. Easy. Yeah. Easy. Easy. So. Okay. Here we go. Yeah, it's writing pretty well. Yeah. So let's go practice. 10 in Thai is sit. 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 Very good. Sit. Alright. So sit at. Sit at. Sip song. Sip song. Sip song. Yeah. Sip some. Sip some. Sip see. Sip see. Sip pa. Sip pa. 15. Sip pa. 16 is sip ho. Sip ho. Sip jet. Sip jet. Sit back. Sit back. And 19 is a sit go. Sit go. Yeah, this is a vowel. Awesome. Sit go. 20 is easy. Easy. Very good. So if you are Thai speaker, so if I have any mistake or my pronunciation it's not correct, please let me know, okay? So I'm learning every day, just like you, okay? But anyway, practice. I can do, you can do too. Yeah, how cool. Yeah, we can say 1 through 20 in Thai. And we are going to learn 21 different languages, okay? About number. But anyway, thanks for watching Sonny's channel. Have a wonderful day. Remember, I can do, you can do too. Why not? Bye bye. 안녕. 가자. 20, 20.